Hi, I'm Belinda from Ray White. I'm about to take you through this stunning property behind me in one of Glen Waverley's most beautiful court locations. Don't believe me? Let's take a look. Thanks again for taking the time to view this magnificent home at number 4 Skye Court. If you'd like to call this home, please call me directly. Viewings will be strictly by appointment. Now it's getting dark. As much as I'd love to stay here, I do have to go home. I look forward to seeing you soon.